You've mastered the if-else statement for handling two possibilities. But life is full of choices with many different outcomes. What happens when your code needs a plan A, B, and C? That's where Python's elif statement steps in, turning a simple choice into a powerful decision-making ladder. Let's build a grading system. An if-elif-else structure checks conditions one by one from the top. First, it asks, is the score 90 or more? Number so, it moves to the next check. That's what elif, or else if, does. Is the score 80 or more? Yes. The code runs the block for grade B and then skips the rest of the chain completely. The final else acts as a safety net, catching any cases that don't meet the other conditions. For simple if-else logic, Python gives you a clean, one-line shortcut called a conditional or ternary expression. It's perfect for assigning a value to a variable based on a single condition. You write the true outcome first, followed by the if condition, and finally the else outcome. It's a compact and highly readable way to handle straightforward choices, turning 5 lines of code into just one. Python has a powerful concept of truthiness. You don't always need an explicit comparison like equals equals or not equals not equals. In a condition, Python treats empty objects, like an empty string, an empty list, or the number 0, as false. Non-empty objects are treated as true. This is called truth value testing, and it allows you to write clean, simple checks like if username to see if a variable actually contains a value. You can now build complex decision-making systems in your code. Ready to test your skills? Try the Classify Age Groups problem on CodeChef to put this advanced logic into practice.